Hello, parents. So, your students will have a virtual locker decorating assignment to do. This is something they would normally do in school where they could decorate their locker. But in order to make the best of our current situation, there's this assignment to do it virtually, and I'm going to show you mine that I have done. I have put in a couple pictures already. I put the Dodgers as my favorite sports team, Harry Potter as my favorite movie that I've been watching lately, burgers are my favorite food, and my name. And the purpose of this video is to just show you how to insert pictures for your child to do. There is a list of things that they could do, their favorite TV show, movie, and I am going to show you how to insert pictures. So you go to insert and you click on image and then you click on search the web. You can put transparent in front if you want it to look kind of see-through. It's totally up to you. So you would put the word transparent in the beginning and then the word of what you're looking for. I would like to visit Japan, so I'm gonna put the word Japan to find an image, and then I press enter and all these images will load. Yeah, so they will load, and there's the map, the flag, and some symbols. I'm looking, but I didn't really find something that I liked, so I went back and I just put the Japan flag in to insert an image. Here I am typing flag, and I click on the first flag. That's the one that I really liked, so I click, and then I click on insert, and now the image will come out way too big, and that's gonna cover the whole locker. So each picture has squares on the corners and the sides, so you would hover over until it turns into an arrow, click, and then you begin to drag down to make smaller. So you can move it and there, and the locker is pretty small, so you're gonna have to make it smaller than that. However you want it, wherever you want to put it, it's totally up to you. I positioned it there. I can make it a little smaller. You'll still be able to see it. Now I put my name, and if you would also like to put your name, what you would have to do is go back to insert, go to text box, and then you're going to create the box. You're going to click and then drag, and then my name is Miss Kathy, so I type in Miss Kathy. And if I want to change the font, I highlight my name, I go up to the font right there. It says Calibri right now, but you click on it, and let's say I want to use Pacifico and makes it cursive. I can also change the text color. I like red, so there is my name, and I just position it wherever you want it to be. The first one is mine. This is my example, and then students will be clicking on the second one. That's the one that they will have to do. And then once they do theirs, I will share them another time we meet. Thank you.